Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi Meenu. Hi Gautam. Hi Ayan. Hi Priksha. Okay. Hi everyone. This is CS Shilpi Periwal. I am a qualified CS but a teacher by passion and profession. And today I have come live because I have been receiving a lot of messages from my students with regards to the confusion on whether they should appear in the August exam or whether they should set off the examination fees for the December exam. You know what? There is one small issue with human beings. First of all, we always wanted that ICSI should postpone the exam, they should cancel the exam. But now when they have given us an option, we all are confused. So human beings, this is a problem. Whenever we get two options, we are always confused. If you tell us this is the thing to do, we'll happily accept. Now for all those students who are thinking, hi Krishant, hi Divita, hello. So for all of you who are thinking on whether they should go ahead with the August attempt or whether they should fill up the form and settle their exam fees and go for the December attempt, I would just like to tell 4 to 5 things to keep in mind before taking your decision. The decision has to be taken by you. It's not to be taken by me or anyone else. It's your decision. But these are the few pointers which can help you in taking a decision. Okay. So the number one thing which is there is, are you prepared for the exam? As in, do you feel confident enough to appear in the exam in August? That is the first thing. Second point which you have to decide is, what zone are you in right now? What are the cases that is there in your city? Like for example, places like Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, these places are in a very bad situation. They are in red zone, and whether your house is in containment zone. If that is the situation, then you all know the answer. It's better to fill up the form because the last date to fill up the form is 30th till 30th June. Fill up the form and then probably give the exam in December itself. Okay. But if you're in a green zone, there is no cases, then you can take a call accordingly. The third thing which you need to take into mind is your parents' opinion. Are your parents comfortable? Do you have elderly at home? Do you have kids at home? Do you feel like going out and coming back? See, you people might be young, you people might be having a stronger immunity, everything is there. But you might infect your family members who do not have such a strong immunity, say the elderlies. So do you have elderlies? What is your parents' opinion? Would they be really stressed if you go out and give the exam and come back? In that situation, it's probably advisable not to give the exam at this attempt. Another thing is, see, you take a lot of precautions. You go for the exams, but there are many things. You have to use the washroom, the desks is there, the invigilator would be handing the papers, a lot of things is involved. So in case even in spite of precautions, in case you get infected, do you have the option of quarantine yourself? Do you have the option to isolate yourself for 15 days? As in, a lot of people have huge homes. It's possible for them to quarantine themselves in one of the rooms. But supposing a lot of us are there who stay in smaller homes, is it possible for you to do that? If not, then think about it again. Okay. So we have few people joining in. Meenu tells me, give tips to crack the exam, ma'am. Yes, I'll just come back to take your questions. I'll just finish the protocols on how you need to decide whether you need to give the exam in August or December. So apart from these 4 things, another very important thing is whether you have to travel. See, a lot of students have to travel more than a few kilometers, like say 50 kilometer, 100 kilometer to reach the exam center. So how will you manage that? You have to travel say 20-30 kilometers. How will you manage that? It's not very safe to travel at this time. So accordingly, take a call for this exam, whether you need to go for this attempt or another attempt. For all the old syllabus students, there is an extension. You will get the attempt of old syllabus in December also. So that is also possible. Okay. Now coming back to your questions. Meenu asks me how to give tips to crack the exam. Meenu, which level are you in? Is it the foundation or the CSEET level? In case if it's foundation and CSET, just stick to the institute material and practice lot of MCQs. Every day, one chapter, and once you finish that every chapter, go for mock exams. Speed makes a lot of difference, Meenu. Then second person, ma'am, how can we choose our exam center? Yes, you have an option to change your exam center. My suggestion is to choose an exam center which is nearest to your home. Don't think if the colleges will open, then we might have to shift there. For some time, I don't see it happening. The situation is bad for this year. So choose an exam center nearest to your home. That would be better. And ma'am, what about those who have registered for August attempt? If you have registered for August attempt, Divita, and if you want to shift it to December attempt, you need to fill up a form. That form, the last is 30th June, fill up the form and extend it. In case you want to go for the August attempt itself, there is no reason to fill up any form. You can just go ahead with it. That is if the exam happens. We are still doubtful on that also, considering the situation. So that is how I feel you can take a call. And so these are the few things you need to keep in mind, guys. That is whether you have the possibility to quarantine yourself, what zone you are in, whether you are prepared, do you have elderlies at home, what is the suggestion of your parents, and last but not the least, do you have to travel? Do you have to travel to reach your exam center? So just keep in mind these 4-5 points and then take your call with regards to giving the exam in August or December. For all the old syllabus people, for all the CS foundation people, there is absolutely no worries. You will have one more attempt. Yes, Ronak, with regards to current affairs subject, for now, Ronak, just stick to the institute material. We would be coming out with a few notes, a few extended PPTs and mock exams also in a while. So just stay tuned for that. Till then, stick to the institute material and practice a little for the Viva, because that is also a part of your CSET syllabus for 30 marks. Okay, so any other questions? I just wanted to do a quick live today to tell my students whether you should go for the August attempt or December attempt. Decision is yours. I have just given you the pointers on how you can decide these things. Okay. So any other question, you can drop it down in the comment box, guys. I'll be uploading it to IGTV also. So you can just comment over there. I'll be more than happy to answer. Got to go now. See ya. All the best, everyone. And keep studying. Keep up the pace. Okay. Any questions by anyone? I'll just wait for a few seconds. Any questions? Study timetable. Yes, Ritik, I would be, in case you are a part of the WhatsApp or the Telegram group that I have for CSET, I would be uploading a study timetable which kind of I also used to follow and which I suggest to my students also. It's not a very strict timetable. You can tweak it according to your requirement, but we'll be sending you a study timetable soon. There is no attempts for CSET. There is absolutely no restriction on the number of attempts, and there is no age limit for the higher age limit, as in for the lower one you need to clear your 12th. As in for now you don't have to clear your 12th, you just should have appeared in your 12th. Only for this year they have given this relaxation. Otherwise it was always that you have to clear your 12th. Any other doubts? We would be uploading study timetables, we would be giving you notes, we would be giving you chapter wise tests, we would be giving you a lot of tips and tricks on how to study, how to make sure that you clear CSET. For CS Executive we do even how to write your answers and everything, but for CSET it would be how to practice MCQ, how to manage your time, how to put up a study timetable. We would be sharing all that very soon. Till then, do keep replying on the WhatsApp group, Telegram group on how much you people are studying, what did you do today, any other doubt, any other suggestion, just keep interacting, guys. Okay, so nice meeting you all today, nice seeing you all. Do let me know on what have you decided in the comments, whether you want to go for the August attempt or whether you are planning to fill up the form and adjust the fees for your December attempt. Thank you so much.